So if you're a content creator or if you want to be a content creator, you're going to want to check out this camera. This is the Sony ZV-E10 Mark II. This is the perfect content creator camera. It's the perfect vlog camera. It's just a great tool to have in your arsenal. This camera is so great to use. It's really easy to upload from your cameras to the computer. It's so light, it's so compact that it makes it really easy to travel with, really easy to just take on the go. You can also put different lenses on it. So you can get whatever type of videos you want, whatever type of photos you want, which makes it so great, so versatile. It comes with this small lens. This is the kit lens. And it's so easy to put on and use. So if you're looking for a great camera to start your content creating journey, I would recommend checking this one out.